Ford Super Duty trucks now available with Extreme Off-Road Upgrade Kit American Expedition Vehicles. AEV has announced a new FXL kit that transforms Ford's F-250 and F-350 Super Duty trucks into high-performance off-road vehicles. This upgrade addresses a growing demand for factory-capable heavy-duty trucks that can handle extreme terrain, similar to AEV's popular conversions for GM and Ram trucks. Key features of the FXL kit: the FXL conversion centers around massive 40-inch BF Goodrich all-terrain tires, mounted on 18-inch beadlock-capable wheels. These tires are accommodated by custom fender flares, ensuring clearance without excessive suspension lift. AEV prioritizes maintaining payload and towing capacity, so the kit includes reworked suspension geometry, revised coil springs, and Bilstein dampers designed for optimal performance. Beyond the tires, the FXL package includes heavy-duty steel front and rear bumpers. The front bumper features a 20,000-pound winch, recovery points, and mounting locations for auxiliary lights. The rear bumper provides increased ground clearance and corner protection, with integrated tow hooks. AEV confirms that the factory driver assistance systems remain fully functional after the conversion. Pricing and availability: AEV has not yet announced official pricing for the FXL kit, but estimates suggest a starting price around $10,000. The conversion is backed by a 3-year 360,000-mile warranty. The Ford Super Duty FXL will be showcased at the 2026 Detroit Auto Show, giving potential buyers a first look at the upgraded trucks. Why this matters? The FXL kit fills a gap in the market by offering a factory-backed, comprehensive off-road upgrade for Ford's heavy-duty pickups. This caters to a growing segment of truck owners who demand extreme capability without sacrificing utility. The inclusion of a full warranty adds peace of mind, making the FXL a compelling option for serious off-road enthusiasts.